Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, usiyacela now, it seems like Utando is being accused of cheating. You know, there's just this rumor going around ukuthi Siyacela's son doesn't look like him. Now they have to do a DNA test. Kuningi guys, kuningi shem.
Ngifuna ukuthi ngenze i-DNA ngoba uyangithemba. Angisoze mina vele ngayenza into ekanjalo. Kodwa mina ngifuna ukuthi yenziwe ukuze nabantu abangazi because abantu abacabangi njengomama ukuthi mina ngenza iqiniso. So ngifuna ukukhombisa abantu ukuthi bengasali benalesithombe sokuthi njalo wena Thando ingane kusiyona ekasiyacela. Uzobona ukuthi lento le wayengayisho ngephutha. Usiyacela umfonelile. Wathi vele wayisho lento athi vele wena abakushaya ngazi ngestina wara.
Uyagula lo
yawo. Wathi usiyacela isidudle ngangenzisa kanjani ayosho yonke into. Ngamuzwa ngase ngithelo wathula.
Akaze vele wakuthanda. Kwamanje befuna ukuvela
kushilo wathi ye akunendaba naleyo ngane leyo ekhuluma nosiyacela wathi faka ufitshele lo ngane akunendaba nayo. Ngizwa la. Base hlangana nami engane yami.
Ngiyamdinga mina ke shembe. Uthi yabo manje mina into yabo nje uthi Nkosi ungiphoxe kakhulu angazi ukuthi ngizothini futhi angazi mase kuthiwa ngiyambona la ukuthi ngenze njani. Awufuni somshala phakathi.
Lapha kulo thurumu wakho omusha sisemvulele
ngiyakwazi ngempela somshala phakathi Thando.
Hayi ma wena ethanda
ngiyazala hayibo ngiyazala.
Ma uthi akafuna ukuthi ngenze i-DNA ngoba uyang.
So now Thando's mother is like, no man, you don't need to do this DNA test. I trust you. I know that you didn't do anything wrong, you know. But Thando is like, no man, I need to do this DNA test. I need to prove my name, because if I let this thing slide, it will always come back to me. And I agree with her on that one, you know. And manje, like, I'm so mad at Ubaba Thando. I know it's none of my business, but he makes me mad because ungenaphi endabeni zabantwana, like ungenaphi. Just one thing about Ubaba Thando, he is talkative. One thing about Ubaba Thando, he is talkative nje usemlomeni ubaba and emdala endabeni zabantwana, but nje I feel the same way as Umama Thando. I feel like he is just doing this to trend. He's doing this just to appear on TV nje, so that he can be a celebrity, but he really doesn't care about Thando. Because instead he is the one who is supposed to be protecting, you know, his daughter, but he's just here for the drama. He's a drama king, he's a drama king, Lobaba Lona. I get why Thando and him are always not on the same page. I get now why they do not have a relationship. You know, uyang stress nje lo baba, And then guys, on other news, I'm so sad. My heart is so high. My heart is so broken. So Uris and Kwan have allegedly broken up, guys. Can you guys believe that? Our power couple, yes, they are not from South Africa, but nati couple yetu pedale. This is our ultimate YouTube couple. I'm so sad, guys. So allegedly they have broken up. And then I also saw some post on Facebook that says that allegedly it is because Uris cheated on Ukwan. But guys, look at these people, you know, and with these YouTubers, guys, you never know. You never know. They might come back and tell us, no, it's a prank. This is a statement, Asana, that was posted by Uris on her Instagram. She said, the new video we posted on our channel today is a pre-recorded video, including a paid promotion that needed to go live due to contractual responsibilities. Hey, Kwan and I will be talking to you guys as soon as we understand you all are very confused and worried. Thank you to everyone keeping us in your prayers and also respecting what's left of our privacy at this time. Love you, unbreakable family. So there's a video that they recently posted. Lana, she was just explaining, this is a pre-recorded video, guys. You know, to confirm they have broken up. So it's a pre-recorded video just to clear the confusion that the people might have. but I'm still heartbroken, man. I am still heartbroken. Yes, I'm just hoping that they will be able to fix things and get back together. They look so good together, and I also went to check on Risa's Instagram. So I guess, guys, there's still hope because she still have their pictures. You know, she still has pictures that they took together. She didn't delete anything. So let's hope for the best. On other news, 40 sana. How? Today in Petelika. So guys, Thuli Phongolo and Uslenda have allegedly split up. The two-faced group, it's no more. Now it's one face. It's no longer two-face. Hey, Ziyabuya, South Africa. You know, Thuli Phongolo is dumping everything now. Dumping Bomaporisa, dumping Aboslenda. She is fed up. Okay, she is fed up. So apparently, allegedly, it is said that they broke up because Thuli Phongolo feels like she is the one who was bringing the numbers, you know. She is the one who was bringing the fans and all of that because Yenabele already, she had a huge fan base. So now they decided to go solo. Uslenda is doing herself. Thuli Phongolo is doing herself. Guningi, but all the best to them.
What are you talking about?
Good dress you.
It's Cherry's bridal. Are you good?
Lovely.
I'm good. How are you? You are snatched. Exquisite. They say watch waist. Oh, honey. I mean, I had lunch. What are you talking about? How is it?
I thought you looking very nice. Good dress you.
It's Cherry's bridal.
Hi guys, ezinge pheli. And what was the theme for the Durban July this year? Hi. This year, Shamai Corner, we saw things. We saw things that we were not meant to see. You know, people were laughing at Umakadzi like she is the worst dressed La Payana. This one. And what I like about fans, guys, they will tell you the truth. Whether you like it or not, they will tell you the truth, Shamama fans. They were laughing, some saying Guti, it's like a chicken wrapped in foil. Yo guys, some were saying Guti, it's like a grade one project. Lona Shama, it's not giving. Yes, it's not giving. And a lot of the celebrities this year. And what was the theme? Now I want to know what the theme. I'm going to go and search manje on Google. The theme for Durban July 2024. Because I can't. Yes, their pictures are only nice when you see, like when it's a complete picture. But when you see a video, you can say, no, man, it's not make sure. At least with pictures, they are edited, you know. I even went to check on her Instagram, guys. She didn't even post, not even a single picture in that dress. Meaning, ukuthi nje naye bekalibona ukuthi ayikhona le dress le is not make sure. Leli, just nje because fele she didn't have a choice. She was like, awuthi ngivele ngiligcoke, but nje naye ubonile ukuthi this is not make sure. I'm not gonna post this. Guys, please subscribe. I'll see you on my next